Hey, Emma, do you like watching movies in your free time?
Hi, David. Yes, I really enjoy watching movies, especially on weekends when I have more time to relax.
That's great. I also love watching movies. It's one of my favorite things to do when I'm not busy.
Nice. What kind of movies do you like the most? Do you prefer action, comedy, or something else?
I enjoy action movies the most. I like the excitement and fast scenes. What about you?
I like romantic comedies. I enjoy stories that are funny and also have a love story in them.
That's interesting. So, what's your all-time favorite movie?
Hmm, that's a hard question. But I think my favorite movie is The Notebook. I've watched it many times and I always cry at the end.
Wow, I've heard about it, but I haven't watched it yet. Maybe I should try.
Yes, you should. It's very emotional and beautiful. What's your favorite movie?
I think Avengers Endgame is my favorite. I really like superhero movies, and this one had so many heroes together.
Yes, that was a very popular movie. I saw it in the cinema with my friends and we all loved it.
Me too. I remember the audience was clapping and cheering during the big battle scene.
Exactly, it was so exciting. Do you usually watch movies at home or go to the cinema?
I mostly watch them at home on my laptop, but sometimes I go to the cinema if it's a big movie.
Same here. At home, it's comfortable, but the cinema has a special feeling with the big screen and sound.
Yes, and popcorn. I always buy popcorn when I go to the cinema.
Me too. Popcorn and a drink make it complete.
Do you ever watch movies in English?
Yes, I try to watch movies in English with subtitles. It helps me learn new words.
That's smart. I do that too. It's a fun way to learn English.
Totally. It's much better than only reading a textbook.
Do you want to watch a movie together this weekend?
That sounds fun. What should we watch?
Maybe we can choose one romantic comedy and one action movie.
Perfect. You bring the action, I'll bring the love story.
Deal! And don't forget the popcorn.
Never. I'll bring the big bag.